This is a pool wireless controller, easy touch. I think that's the company who made this wireless device. Customer said device has no power, and so I did look at the batteries, and you can see some corrosion over there. Plus is missing yeah, it's missing one like this, should be here. Let's check if there is anything wrong with the device, or that's the only problem. If you look here, there is positive and negative. This is not like 1.5 1.5 or 1.53 4.5 here and the 6 volt here. Now this is a 3 volt, but is double amp. That's why they put the batteries in parallel. So let's check if this is just one input or one positive side and this is one negative side. So is there a connection between here and here? Yes, it is. So this is one connector, and between here and here, but this one is kinda is bad. So there is a connection, but this is completely bad, this one here. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna come with the 3 volt from here to here and see if that's gonna make the device turns on. So here is the positive side, and I'm gonna set up the power supply at 3 volt. Still I don't see nothing on the screen. Device is trying to turn on. Because when I click here at this button, I can see some amps is changing. So let's increase the amp a little bit. Maybe the amp is not enough. No. More. Still nothing. So we should have some yeah, basically the devices require a little bit voltage. So when it's at 3.8, it turns on. Yeah, you can see the screen. So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna need to take the device apart and fix this connector here. The problem in this one, It's the model number is over there. The problem in this one is not screws. This is what I already did. So I start cutting all around, and I'm gonna finish cutting here. So first step done is to take this one apart. Already clean this cut here. You can see it looks good. This is not done yet because I'm still gonna need to sand it all around. Gonna need to be careful to this flex cable to don't damage these traces. I think I did have a video, I'm not sure, rebuilding these traces in this device, like one of these similar to this one. And they did see a lot of problems with these traces here, and this can be fixed as well. Thank you. So I do have this remote. I'm gonna take this one here, looks good. So I don't need this remote. So I see a little hole. I'm gonna try to pour it from that hole, but I think I can do it from here as well. So I want it to be hole somewhere. See what is the best option to fix this one. So like this, and we're gonna need 90 degrees here. Get this one a little bit higher, like that. What about if I can make it from here? Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
Some flux. Yeah, looks good. So plug the batteries that the customer bring with the device, and you can see the light. So there is a connection, but these batteries are very low.
Was their batteries?
So I'm going to use our batteries here. And the device turns on, works. So yeah, I'm just going to put the device together. Here is the one we put, and works. Yeah, button works. Here, even the battery move it, still good connection over there. And you can see, so I glue it together, but still need to put some silicone to cover the device work. And this is all for this video, and see you next one.